Hello viewers and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Today's episode we shall talk about Luo words that if pronounced in English make sense but have Luo meanings. So I'll put the words right here and give you the explanations about what they mean. Number one is anyone. In English it's anyone. In Luo, you say anyone. Anyone. And what does this mean? It means stepping on, or I am stepping on it. So when you're stepping on it, you say anyone. I am stepping on it. In English, it says anyone. In Luo, you'd pronounce anyone. Secondly, we have mature. In English, it's mature. In Luo, it say mature. Mature. That means until I broke it. So maybe I was hanging on a tree until I broke the branch. I was hanging on a tree, mature. And in English, it's mature. Third, we talk about bed, your normal bed. In English, it's bed. In Luo, it's bed. Bed. And what does this mean? That means sit. Bed, sit. Fourth is were. Were, like this. Were. In English, it's were. In Luo, it's singing his praises. Were. Were. So, were means singing his praises. Okay? The fifth one is read. To get rid of something. English, you say read. In Luo, you say read. Read. And read means tighten. So like if you're tightening a bolt, you say read, tighten it further. Read, read. And that is, read means like get rid of something. And read means tighten. Then we look at many. Many. English says many, Luo says many. Many. And many, look for it. Many means look for it. Many. Many. Then we'll talk about time. Time in English is just time. What time is it? In Luo you say time. Time. And time means do it. Time. The next one is awesome. And awesome in Luo is awe some. Awe some. Awe some means I have stopped reading it. I have stopped reading it. Awe some. In English it's awesome. Two. Two means the number two. But English in Luo it means TUO. TUO is sickness. Or if you're sick, you say a TUO. But in English, it means the number 2. Bad. Bad. Is it bad? Bad. Bad. Bad means when something is bad. Like it's not good. So it's bad. Bad also means your arm. Your arm. So this is bad. Bad. Bad is also not good. Road. Road. Like this. Road also means rode. Rode. Now, rode are places that you are unofficial routes to get to your house, like rot. Like rot. So rot, if you see something rots, rot is an unofficial route to your house. So rode or road are unofficial routes, many of them. Use like this, you say ose, sell it, ose, sell it. To, English, to, break. Now to means break, so I have broken it. A to, break, to, English, to. War, like when you're going to war, in English it's war, and war means remove the top part of it. So like if you have grains and you want to just take the top part of the grains, then you say war we. Take the top part of it. In English it's war. Untie, in English, untie. In Luo, untie. Untie. Are you all present? Untie. 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 The next one is lake. A lake, you know a lake? Like Nam, lake. In English it's lake. In Luo it's lake. Lake. Her tooth or his tooth, that is lake, tooth. Water, water or water. In English it's water. In Luo it's let's take to, or water. Tero is the process of taking something. So let's take it together. Water. Okay? Apart from tero of the other tero. So water, let's take. More is more or more. More means its own oil. No, fat, like onyoso, fat, its own fat, like a pig that is being fried. If it's fried in its own fat, you say chielogi more. Or more may mean making her happy, more, or making him happy, more. So when you're making someone happy, you say amore, and that means more. The next one is but. But means but, like this, means near or next to. In English it means is it a conjunction or those things, those words. I came in but. Oh, no. Now in Luo it means boot. And when it means boot means near, next to, that is boot. Then I also have another one called or. One or two or three or four, you know. English it's or. Luo it's or. And or is a father-in, the father-in-law. Not father. Or is the, or is, I forgot. Or is the husband to your sister. It's called, no. Or is the husband to your sister is called or. Or if you're the mother, then The husband to your child is called or. A lot. A lot. A lot. That is many, many. A lot. In English, it's a lot. In Luo, it's a lot. A lot. And a lot means vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetable. Vegetables. Tomato. Tomato in English, tomato, 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 tomato. And in Luo, it's how about this one? How about this one? That is tomato, tomato. Tomato, that is how you say it. Tomato. How about this one? Then the last one is potato. Potato. In English, it's a potato. You know a potato? The one you'll make French fries or chips with. In English, it's potato. In Luo, it's potato. Potato. And that means, what about its leaves? What about its leaves? So those are some of the English words, I don't know, Luo words that have the same spelling as English words, but they are pronounced differently. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one. Bye. Hi.
Hello viewers. Hello viewers. My name is Nikki. What's your name?
Nikki, you're moving video smart.
Hello viewers, my name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. We have not done one of our normal episodes for like 1 month.
Yep, 4 weeks. I think maybe 6 weeks.
Maybe. So today we are going to be talking about
words that spell like English but mean Luo.
Yep. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. And make sure you follow us on other pages outside of YouTube. Yo, daddy. What? What is where is it now? It camera says like on 30 minutes. Wow. I never knew this camera had 30 minutes. I thought it had 20 minutes.
Woohoo!
Hello viewers. My name is
trash
Nikki.
my viewers like that.
Hello viewers. My name is Nikki.
Nimeanza kurekod. Hebu anza.